In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All of us, almost all of us have certain plans, all of us have certain goals, all of us have certain desires. We want to meet them. Meeting the desires might not be as easy, but meeting the goals, achieving the goals, achieving the plans, it should not be that much difficult. It should be at least quite possible. And it is quite possible as a matter of fact. But there are certain hurdles on our way to success, on our way to happiness, on our way to the achievement of the goals. There are certain hurdles which needs to be removed. There are certain hurdles which needs to be removed. And what are these certain hurdles, by the way? There are several. We are not going to talk about each one of them, but we have taken the one which is actually a key hurdle, which is actually a key hurdle. In the presence of this hurdle, every hurdle becomes insurmountable. Every hurdle, almost every hurdle, becomes far more difficult to overcome, to remove. So, today we are going to talk about how to remove the key hurdle. We are going to talk about how to remove the key hurdle. That is something. And it must be understood well, it must be practiced well, it must be at least given a fair trial, a fair try. And let me tell you with enough amount of confidence that once we once we succeed in giving it a very fair try for a certain amount of time, maybe for a fortnight, maybe for a month, maybe for a month, it will show such a good and great results. It will show such a good and such a great results that we will not be willing to sacrifice it, to lose it, to abandon it, and to undo it. It will prove its worth. It will it will remove the key hurdle first, and with the removal of the key hurdle, removal of several other hurdles will become possible, will become quite or relatively easy, considerably easy. Not just relatively easy, rather, I am going to say with quite a lot of confidence that it is going to become considerably easy if at all we succeed in removing the key hurdle. And removing the key hurdle is not that much difficult for those people who are serious enough about their successful life, who are serious enough about achieving their goals, and serious enough about fulfilling their plans. What is this key hurdle? What is this key hurdle and how to remove that? Impulses. Control the impulses, controlling the impulses. All of us are during the day, during the night, on a daily basis. We are found encountering the impulses which emerges out of our mind. We conceive something, or we listen something, we see something, and we become uncontrollable. We just try to get the gratification by following, by obeying our impulses. Suppose somebody is talking to you in front of you, she is very rude. You want to, you have become angry. You have become angry. You want to punch them on the face. You want to exchange the harsh words with those people. You want to clash with those people. But it is all because of the impulses, because of an impulse, and you control your impulse. You want to eat something, you want to drink something, and it is just an impulse. You know this is bad for your health, this is bad in certain other way, and you control your impulse. You do not allow yourself to go and to get the gratification from there, from eating or drinking that particular food or drink. You refuse to do that. Once you refuse to do that, actually, this mean that you control your impulse. And there are many other things. There a kind of talking is going on amongst the friends or with certain other people, and you are desperate to say something, obviously for the sake of gratification, but you do not allow yourself to do that. So you have controlled your impulse. You want to see something on your smartphone, but you control, this is an impulse, and you have controlled your impulse. You do not allow yourself, you successfully control yourself. So this means that we have mastered the art of controlling your impulse. We have mastered the art of controlling your impulse. And this actually means controlling the impulses is the kind of, you can say, the biggest hurdle we have to remove, and so that we become able, so that we can become eligible to start moving seriously and with a good amount of speed on our way to success, on our way to happiness. This is a kind of key hurdle, and if at all we have succeeded, if at all we are succeeding in removing the key hurdle, let me assure you that all the rest of the hurdles will be comfortably removed. And once these hurdles are removed, the key hurdle first and the rest of the hurdles then, and then rest of the hurdles will, removing the rest of the hurdles will become considerably easy, no, relatively easy, rather considerably easy. And now once the removing of these hurdles have become considerably easy, let me assure you that we will start marching and moving forward toward our goals, toward our plans with a good amount of speed. And this is all what is needed, this is all what is needed, this is all what is wanted, this is all what is required. And now let's start working upon controlling our impulses. And to be able to control our impulses, we can start from something which is very small, and then we can keep moving forward with gradually and gradually, a little bit and a little bit more. And instead of trying to do that, mean all at once, instead of trying to do that abruptly and completely, which would not be possible, which is against the intelligence. And now let's start working upon controlling our impulses, and a bit by bit and gradually and slow and steady win the race. I believe that if at all we succeed in doing just one thing, and this one thing is controlling our impulses, once we succeed in controlling our impulses, this means that we have removed the key hurdle, and with the removal of the key hurdle, the removal of the rest of the hurdle will become considerably easy. We shall be able to conquer that. We shall be able to remove those hurdles as well, many of those hurdles as well. And let me assure you that inshallah, as for the success is concerned, as for the happiness is concerned, as for the meeting of our plans is concerned, as for the achievement of our goals is concerned, it will become quite possible, quite possible, quite possible. We will emerge victorious, inshallah. Thank you, Jazakallah.